Meaning of Garfield.
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 Garfield. Garfield has multiple meanings depending on the context. It could refer to the popular comic strip character created by Jim Davis, a surname of English origin, or an armored vehicle produced by the Canadian military. However, when most people hear Garfield, they likely think of the orange, lasagna-loving cat who was known for his sarcastic wit and dislike of Mondays. Garfield has become a pop culture icon and has appeared in numerous television shows, movies, and merchandise over the years, securing his place as a beloved character in the hearts of many.